Hey, it's Green Hill Gardens here. Just finished everything up today, so we're gonna do a little walkthrough and show you guys everything that we did. And yeah, there you go. We got a lot of these shrubs cleared out, made everything nice and tidy. Now this client's front yard's looking really nice and clean. This is just the front entrance area here. Got some flowers potted. And some beautiful hanging trees in the front. And also we cleaned up these shrubs over here just by the garage. Like I said, lots of waste, lots of shrubs, lots of just, yeah, lots of tree stubs, tree shrubs. Now we'll take a walk to the back and I'll show you the last bit of this project. And this is just the side of the house again. Cleaned everything up, edged everything up here. And now we're just entering the backyard. So you can see we got some more planting going on over here. Some beautiful little trees we got put in. And then we just basically cleaned up the rest of the area. No more weeds. This shrub we cleaned up last night. If you've seen it before, it was really bad, but we tried our best to keep some of this together still, keep some of the greenery together. But yeah, there we go, another successful job. Green Hill Gardens, where we're making dreams into reality.